One thing that you need to understand in your life, keep always God at the center of your marriage life. Never ever forget. You are going to get married and invite Jesus at the center of your marriage life, just like in the Holy Family, Mary and Joseph had Jesus with them, the presence of Jesus with them.
Good for the man to be alone. I will make a suitable partner for him. So the Lord God formed out of the ground various wild animals and various birds of the air, and he brought them to the man to see what he would call them. Whatever the man called each of them would be its name. The man gave names to all the cattle, all the birds of the air, and all wild animals, but none proved to be the suitable partner for the man.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigay ka niya sa akin. Maraming nagbago sa pag-uugali ko, sa way ng pakikitungo ko sa ibang tao. Nabago yun dahil sa'yo. At alam ko na binigay ka ni Lord sa akin para maging masaya tayo pa rin.
Fiercely love you in all your forms, now and forever. I promise to never forget that this is once in a lifetime love. I vow to love you, and no matter what challenges might carry us apart, we will always find a way back to each other.
Maraming salamat, May. Ikaw yung angel na dumating sa akin para mapasaya, mapaganda, matupad yung mga pangarap ko na magkaroon ng pamilya. Pangarap ko na 3 anak. Pero kung anong ibigay sa atin ng Lord, okay lang. Kung 5 yan, ayos lang. Kung 6, ayos lang. Magtatrabaho tayo para matustusan sila, maging masaya yung family natin na bubuuin natin.
You accepted me for who I'm not, for what you wanted me to be. I love you for what you are, all that you have been, and all you are yet to be.
Hindi lang ngayon hanggang sa maraming taon pa. Sabi nga nung ibang nagme-message sa akin, ito na yung road natin sa pagkakaroon ng forever. And maraming masaya sa atin. At maraming salamat, Angel. I love you forever.